Hi everyone, this is Mike from Rotterdam, and this is the third episode where we check independent or underground rock bands. And I search for the internet all over and I find great tracks I want to share with you. This I do out of passion. Listen, 2 songs this time, not 4 but 2. I made 2 videos back, was 4 songs, but I feel like the last 2 songs maybe get less attention and I don't want it. I want for all what I show attention. To create attention for the bands and create new fans maybe for these bands. So check it out, 2 songs. One is from Japan. And it's very, I don't know the lyrics of it, but I found these guys on X. I posted a video of CHECKEMMUSIC and they responded and gave us the like. And I checked what they got and I bumped into some incredible rock music. And the second sort of rock rap metal kind of song, it's a song about a toothache. And I found that very funny, but I watched the video and I enjoyed it. It was very good and it will stay in your head, the lines. But the brilliance of it, at the last line, at the last of the song, he changed the whole subject of the whole narrative of the song. And you can literally listen to the song again and think different about it. Well, you go check it out. We go to the first. Their band name is Kanashibari. And the song is called High Neon. I don't know what it is, but check it out. It's something else. See? Yeah! Oh yeah. I like it how the singer just looks hazy in front of them. He looks like in the sky. Very cool. They look like some badass rock man from Japan, man. It's like the Japanese Skid Row or something. It rocks! I don't know what they're singing about, but it's great. Yes, I told you. Badasses from Japan. It's good. Okay, the next video, it's about a toothache they rap. It's very cool. They called, the band's name is Locked Shut. And the title is Toothache. Check it out. But remember the last line, the last two lines. Cool. Very cool.
Mic check! What? Taste so sweet, but you rub my teeth. My indulgence is slowly killing me. Got that throb, with blood, blood, bleed. Now my smile is so fucked, I scare everyone in the street. I wanna puke. Would you please tear it out by the root? No peace. I would kill for a moment's relief. My toothache is getting sharper every day. Blame myself out. Duct tape and pull it out. Yeah. My toothache so deep I can't ignore the pain. Blame myself out. Duct tape and pull it out. Yeah. Taste so sweet, but you run my
I like it how they are in a white room and they have all blue jackets on. This is a very cool, I don't know, effect. Very cool. I go a little bit back and we play on to get into it. Here we go.
duct tape and pull it out. Yeah. Taste so sweet, but you run my teeth. My indulgence is slowly killing me. Got that throb, with blood, blood, bleed. Now my smile is so fucked, my gums are infected and gray. My toothache is getting sharper every day. Blame myself out. Duct tape and pull it out. Yeah. My toothache so deep I can't ignore the pain. Blame myself out. Duct tape and pull it out. Yeah. Check it. I gotta cut you out. Life's like bullet teeth. Sometimes life's like bullet teeth. I gotta cut you out.
That's what I mean. Life is like pulling teeth. I've got to cut you out. It changed the whole narrative of things, you know. It changed the whole. Now you can when you Anyway, this was the third edition of the Rock. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give a thumb up if you like it. If you like the bands, go to the playlist. I've got the rock playlist and give a thumb up for the band. Share that video. It helps the video. It's all about promotion of these bands. See you next time.